Stop making these common sailing mistakes. Let's sail smoothly, shall we? First up, overpacking. Boats have limited space, so pack light and smart. Remember, less is more on the water. Next, forgetting to check the weather. A sunny morning can turn stormy quick. Always check the forecast before you set sail. Another biggie, not knowing the rules of the water. Just like the road, there are rules for boating. Learn the basics to avoid accidents. Oh, and don't forget to share your float plan. Let someone know where you're going and when you'll be back. Safety first, always. Last but not least, practice docking. It's trickier than it looks. Take it slow and steady, no need to rush. So there you have it. Avoid these blunders and you'll be a boating pro in no time. Smooth sailing, everyone.